beauties, what's up? Let's get into this fall inspired makeup tutorial. I'm going to be taking my Jackie Aina palette. This is her collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to be taking the shade Ginger and using this for my cut crease. I'm also going to be using this for the corners of my eye. You guys are going to see me basically trying to work this neutral light shade in the crease of my eye. I'm going to bring it forward in the inner corner, in the outer corner, and basically use this as a transition color. Ginger is a brown like shade. I like to use it to transition other colors on my lid so things don't look so harsh. I also like to use this color alone. Most times I don't create eyeshadow looks with a lot of color because of the way my eyelids are set up. If you have hooded eyelids, you are literally so blessed. But the way my eyelids set up, I have a little amount of space to add product. So I don't always do eye makeup looks with a lot of pop of color. I typically stay within the neutral colors, but I'm going to be doing more eye makeup looks and I don't want them to always be neutral. I want them to be catered to different type of looks, even though I have these type of eyelids. But you guys get in the comment section and comment down below what is your eye shape. If you have hooded eyes, if you have eyes more like mine, or if you have eyes that don't have a lid at all and it folds on your eyelid. I'm going to be taking this brush and brushing my eyebrows and giving it a very seamless look. I like to do my eyebrows when or just before I'm doing my eyeshadow look, just because I like the way that the eyebrows look when they are dusted off and they have the concealer freshly up under them. I don't know, that's just the way that I like to do it. My process is different when I'm doing my eye makeup looks and when I'm doing my full face looks. It really just depends. I went back into that Jackie Aina palette with the shade Credit, and I'm using this just for the outer corners of my lid. You don't want to blend this color in the inner corner of your lid because it might be a little too harsh. That first color we used, it was okay to blend that in the inner corner, but this darker shade, it might be too harsh, so that's why it's only going to be on the outer corner. I'm going for a smoky eye kind of, but not really. I like to use these brown tones and these brown shades just to transition the colors on my lid. We're going to be adding a balmy purple type of shade on the lid, and if you just put a purple shade or just shades on your lid, it looks really harsh in my opinion, versus when you use colors that are kind of similar to your skin tone to transition the colors on your lid and make them look more seamless onto your eyelid. I don't know if that makes sense, y'all, but I'm trying to explain it the best way that I can. So I'm just taking that brown shade, as you guys can see, and you see me blending it a little bit in the middle of my lid, but I'm basically just dusting off the excess product. You don't want to blend majority of this product in the inner corner of your lid. Now, I'm not sure why I didn't show which palette I was using, but I'm taking the Huda Beauty Empowered palette and I'm taking the color Worthy. As you guys can see, it's not your typical eyeshadow color. It looks like a balm in the palette, and it is kind of like a balm. So as you guys can see, I'm adding the color on just on my lid area. You don't want to add this color above your lid or anywhere else. I'm placing it only on my lid, and as you guys can see, it's kind of a sheen to it because it's almost like a balm. Think of lip balm. So I almost think you can take this color and put it on your lip. That is what type of a balm eyeshadow product it is. And if you guys can tell, it has a hint of purple to it, and it has specks of iridescent shimmers in it, which I think is beautiful, because if I turn my face or I look in a different direction, you can kind of see the shimmers on it, and I just really like that look. So I'm just taking this color and I'm adding it on top of my lid. I'm going to dip into the palette to pick up some color a few times just to make sure it is completely on my lid. And then I'm going to take a brush, a clean brush without any product on it, and I'm kind of just going to blend the top of it to kind of even it out on my eyelid and just basically make everything a smooth transition and not so harsh. I'm also going to take the Born This Way Sunset Strip palette, and I'm going to take one of my favorite colors in this palette, the nude beach color. I like to use this up under my eyebrow. I love to highlight under my eyebrow with a lighter highlight shade, typically a shade that is on the nude pale type of color. I'm using this lighter shade under my eyebrow just to really exaggerate the makeup look. In my opinion, when you add a light color to highlight under the eyebrow, it really gives it an exaggerated, clean, crispy look. So that's what I'm doing with the nude beach color. And once I apply that, I'm going to go in with this lighter color. It's in the shade High Tide, so it's lighter than the nude beach color, a lot lighter, and I'm only going to add that just under the arch of my eyebrow. As you guys can see, when I had the first light color, the nude beach, I applied that under my entire eyebrow. However, with the High Tide color, I'm only going to apply that under the arch of my eyebrow, and this just gives it more of an exaggerated look, in my opinion, in a more clean, crispier look. It kind of looks like it's flowing a lot even. And I'm just taking a brush and blending all of that together to give it more of a seamless look. Again, you just got to keep blending. That's majority of the eye makeup look. It's just blending. I didn't use that many colors. Even though I used 3 palettes, I do feel like you can get this same look with one palette. All you need is 2 brown shades, 2 light highlighting shades, or even just 1 highlighting shade, and then your main purple shade or your main eyelid shade. Now I'm going to take these individual lashes and apply lashes under my eyes. I used to do strip lashes. I even used to do eyelash extensions, but now this is just an easier thing for me to do because I don't like eyelash extensions any longer, and I don't care to always apply strip lashes because my real lashes are so curly. The strip lashes literally would get glued on top of my lashes and I end up ripping them out. So this is a better alternative for people that have really curly lashes like myself. I'm taking some mascara and I am applying it generously on both of my eyelashes. And then I'm just going to take some hair glue. Yes, girl. Some hair glue, okay? Don't at me, at your mammy. I'm using hair glue still. I know people have elevated to eyelash glue. There's eyelash glue that still kind of look like hair glue, but to me it's the same thing. It's no need in spending $3 on eyelash glue when you can still spend the dollar on the red hair glue that comes in the beauty supply store. So I just squirted some of that on a blank canvas, or I just put some of that somewhere, and then I added my lashes or added the glue to the top of the lash, and then I glued the lash under my eyelash. If you guys want a tutorial on how to apply your own individual lashes, get in the comment section and let me know. But when I'm doing makeup looks, I don't apply that many because I do have naturally long wispy lashes. So I typically only add about 4 to 5 individual lashes onto my eyes. Now, I used to do makeup and I used to actually provide the service of individual lashes, and I would add a lot more individuals to the top and bottom, but you know, long gone are those days, right? I like more of a natural, settle makeup look in a sense. I don't know, not really. It depends because I still kind of do my makeup like it's 2016. I'm not going to lie. It just depends on how I feel. Sometimes I give soft girl glam. Sometimes I give very 2006 glam. It just depends on how I'm feeling in that moment, where I'm going, etc. But I haven't worn makeup that often like I used to. Like I used to put on a full face every single day. These days I just do enough if I'm going somewhere. And I just remember the days where I was always wearing makeup, even if I didn't go anywhere. I would walk around the house with a full face of makeup. And I think when the pandemic happened, that's when everything changed. People stepped into this no makeup look really heavily. And I still like the no makeup look, but I just really enjoy a full glam beat, but I'm not really into the lashes like I used to be. Y'all get in the comment section and let me know what you think.
You guys, I almost forgot. Right now, I am currently wearing our clickbait merch. This is a clickbait tee. I have this in this tan color, and I also have it in a white color. Also running a sale currently for the fall time. If you guys want free shipping, you can enter the code fall24 2024 for free shipping. I'm also going to be launching our holiday mugs really soon in October, so you guys stay tuned for that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, hit the post notification bell so you guys are up to date each and every time that I upload, and make sure you shop our merch.